Hello and welcome to Capital Expansion Insights. Today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for building long-term wealth passive income. Now you might be thinking, passive income? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm here to tell you it's not. It's a very real and achievable strategy that can completely transform your financial life. Imagine this, waking up every morning with money hitting your bank account, all from systems you put in place. That's the power of passive income. It's about generating consistent cash flow without constantly trading your time for money. It's about building true financial freedom. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what passive income is, explore some of the most effective strategies to generate it, and give you actionable steps to start building your own passive income streams today. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of financial possibilities, let's dive in. Alright, let's break down this concept of passive income. At its core, passive income is money you earn that doesn't require you to be actively involved in the process. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about putting in the work up front to create systems that generate income for you over the long haul, even while you sleep, travel, or pursue other passions. Think of it like planting a tree. You spend time and effort digging the hole, planting the seed, and nurturing it in the beginning. But once that tree takes root and starts to grow, it bears fruit year after year with minimal effort from your side. That's the essence of passive income, building something that continues to generate returns long after the initial work is done. Now, passive income isn't about being completely hands-off. There's always going to be some level of involvement, especially in the beginning stages. But the beauty is that once you've set up the system, it requires significantly less time and effort to maintain compared to a traditional job, where your income is directly tied to the hours you put in. For example, imagine owning a rental property. Yes, there's initial work involved, finding the property, securing financing, maybe doing some renovations, but once you have a tenant in place, you're collecting rent every month without having to actively trade your time for that income. Or let's say you create an online course. You invest time up front to create the content, market the course, and build your online presence. But from that point on, the course can generate income as people enroll and learn from it, even while you're focused on other projects. The key takeaway here is that passive income is about leveraging your time, skills, and resources to create assets that generate income for you, freeing you from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and giving you more control over your financial future. Now that you understand the power of passive income, let's explore some of the most popular and effective ways to generate it. The good news is, there are tons of options out there, and the best one for you will depend on your interests, skills, and financial situation. One of the most well-known passive income streams is real estate. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. When you own rental properties, you're essentially creating a business where you're providing housing in exchange for monthly rent payments. This can be a great way to generate consistent cash flow and build long-term wealth through appreciation. Another popular option is dividend investing. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially becoming a part owner in established companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. It's like getting paid to own a piece of a successful business. The beauty of dividends is that they provide a steady stream of passive income, and you can reinvest those dividends to grow your portfolio even faster. But passive income isn't limited to traditional investments. The digital age has opened up a world of possibilities for generating income online. One popular avenue is creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to stock photos, website templates, or software plugins. The beauty of digital products is that they can be sold over and over again without incurring additional production costs. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to generate passive income online. Essentially, you partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You're providing valuable recommendations to your audience and you're getting rewarded for driving sales. And let's not forget about the potential of creating your own online business. This could involve anything from starting an e-commerce store to offering freelance services or building a membership site. While building an online business does require more upfront work, it offers incredible scalability and the potential to generate significant passive income over time. These are just a few examples of the many ways to generate passive income. The key is to identify opportunities that align with your interests, leverage your existing skills, and be willing to put in the work to build something sustainable and profitable. Alright, now that you're fired up about the possibilities of passive income, let's break down the steps to start building your own income streams. Remember, creating passive income doesn't happen overnight. It takes effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. The first step is education. Before diving headfirst into any passive income opportunity, take the time to thoroughly research and understand the ins and outs. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, and connect with others who are already successful in that space. The more knowledge you have, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Once you have a solid understanding of the different passive income avenues, it's time to set clear and specific goals. How much passive income do you want to generate each month or year? What are you aiming to achieve with this income? Having a clear target in mind will help you stay motivated and focused on your journey. Next, you need to develop a solid investment strategy. Whether you're investing in real estate, dividend stocks, or your own online business, it's crucial to have a plan in place to allocate your funds wisely and manage your risk. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize your potential returns. Now comes the exciting part, building and automating your income streams. This is where you put in the work to create the systems, processes, and platforms that will generate income for you on autopilot. This might involve finding and screening tenants for your rental property, researching and investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating and marketing your digital products, or building and optimizing your online business. Automation is your best friend when it comes to passive income. Look for ways to streamline your processes and minimize manual tasks. For example, you can automate rent collection, dividend reinvestment, email marketing, and even customer support to some extent. Once your passive income streams are up and running, it's crucial to monitor their performance regularly and make adjustments as needed. Track your income and expenses, analyze your returns, and stay informed about any changes in the market or your chosen industry. Being proactive and adapting to new information will help you optimize your income streams over time and ensure their long-term success. Remember, building passive income is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. But with the right mindset, strategies, and dedication, you can achieve financial freedom and create a life where money works for you, not the other way around. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but can people really build substantial passive income streams? The answer is a resounding yes. Countless individuals from all walks of life have successfully generated significant passive income, proving that it's not just a pipe dream, it's a very achievable reality. Take the story of Sarah, a single mom who was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. She decided to start investing in rental properties, slowly building up her portfolio over time. Today, Sarah generates enough passive income from her rentals to cover her living expenses, allowing her to spend more quality time with her children. Or consider the journey of John, a graphic designer who was passionate about teaching others. He created an online course, sharing his design skills and marketing it through social media and his website. Now, John's course generates a consistent stream of passive income, allowing him to quit his 9-to-5 job and work from anywhere in the world. These are just two examples of the countless success stories out there. The key takeaway is that building passive income is possible for anyone willing to put in the work, stay committed, and learn from both their successes and failures. So what are some common threads among those who have achieved passive income success? First and foremost, they have a strong work ethic. They understand that building passive income requires effort, especially in the beginning stages. They're willing to put in the time to learn, build, and market their income streams. Secondly, successful passive income earners are adaptable and resilient. They understand that the journey won't always be easy. They're willing to adjust their strategies, overcome obstacles, and learn from their mistakes. And finally, they have a long-term mindset. They're not looking for quick wins or get-rich-quick schemes. They're focused on building sustainable income streams that will continue to generate returns for years to come. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making consistent progress over time, staying committed to your goals, and never giving up on your dream of financial freedom. Passive income is a powerful tool for building a secure financial future. By taking the first step and investing in reliable income streams, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. If you found these strategies valuable, please like this video, comment with your thoughts or experiences, and subscribe to Capital Expansion Insights for more in-depth financial guidance. Remember, master money, expand your future.